How to delete your account on Twitter. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you the way on how you can delete your account on Twitter. So make sure to watch this video till the end. Now what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Twitter application. Once you launch Twitter, tap on the profile icon at the top left hand side and go to the option that says Settings and Support. Once you tap on Settings and Support, go to the option called Settings and Privacy. Once you go to Settings and Privacy, at the top you want to select your account. Once you select your account, here you'll find the option called Deactivate Account. Now you might ask, this is the option to deactivate my account, but where is the option to delete? Well, how Twitter works is that, let's say you delete or deactivate your account for now. Once you deactivate your account and you don't reactivate or try to log in for the next 30 days, your account and data is going to be permanently deleted. Now it is not mentioned in the app that you have to delete your account and try to deactivate first, but it's written in the official support help center of Twitter that if you want to permanently remove your Twitter account, you have to first deactivate it. Once you confirm the deactivation process and you don't reactivate it for the next 30 days, your account is going to get permanently deleted. So you can see it says you can retrieve or restore your Twitter account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days after deactivation, but after 30 days you will not be able to restore it, which means your Twitter account will be successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your account on Twitter. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, make sure to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.